In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets to Smartsheet dashboards. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring key information to life with clear, interactive visuals your team can trust. First, open the dashboard you want to update and switch it into edit mode. In the upper right corner, click the edit button, which looks like a pencil icon. This unlocks the canvas so you can make changes. If you don't see the pencil, you may not have permission to edit, so check with your workspace admin. Next, look to the right-hand panel and choose Add Widget, shown as a plus icon. This opens the widget picker so you can decide what kind of information you want to display. Now pick your widget type. Metric is perfect for pulling a specific cell from a sheet, like a live KPI or deadline. Chart helps you visualize data from sheets or reports. Think bar, line, or pie to highlight trends. Report embeds an existing Smartsheet report, great for rolling up tasks or status by team. Title-rich text lets you add headers, descriptions, or quick context so viewers understand what they're seeing. Image is handy for a logo, a team graphic, or a visual cue. And web content lets you embed live interactive content like YouTube, Tableau, or forms to keep everything in one place. Quick note before we configure. If you're just getting started with Smartsheet, I've placed the official link at the very top of the description so you can access the website or download the app and follow along. After you choose a widget, follow the prompt to add data. For metrics, select the sheet and the exact cell you want to display, then adjust the label and number format. For charts, pick your source sheet or report, define your data range, and choose the chart type that best matches your message. For reports, select the pre-built report and decide how many rows to show. For title-rich text, type your headline, adjust fonts, and add a short explanation. For image, upload your file and set sizing so it looks crisp without crowding. For web content, paste the shareable URL and check the preview to ensure it loads correctly. On the right panel, fine-tune settings like sorting, filters, colors, and display options to keep your dashboard clean and scannable. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes and update the live view. That's all it takes to add widgets to your Smartsheet dashboard. Keep layout simple, label clearly, and use visuals that support decisions at a glance. Thanks for watching.